मादानापेट पुलिस की जानिब से एडवोकेट मोहम्मद कलीम पर हमले के खिलाफ वकला बरादरी ने एहतजाज दर्ज करवाया। तफसीलात के मुताबिक 2 दिन पहले मादानापेट पुलिस ने एडवोकेट मोहम्मद कलीम को बुरी तरह से ज़द-ओ-कोब किया था। इस वाक़े के मंजर आम पर आने के बाद से वकला बरादरी में नाराज़गी पाई जा रही है और वो वकला के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ का मुतालबा कर रहे हैं। जुमेरात को नामपली क्रिमिनल कोर्ट के अहाते में वकला बरादरी ने शदीद एहतजाज दर्ज करवाया और मादानापेट पुलिस की इस कार्रवाई की मजम्मत की। दूसरी जानिब सिटी सिविल कोर्ट के वकला ने भी एहतजाज किया और मादानापेट पुलिस की कार्रवाई की मजम्मत करते हुए वकला के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ पर जोर दिया है।
The action of the police Madanapet is high-handedness, Hyderabad, and especially the incident which took place with Kaleem is a condemnable act. That police is acting as a goon, not as an officer. This is not the character of a police who is under a code and who is defined with the code that it has to function with code which is given to them as per law. This act of high-handedness is to be condemned, and the police who is behaving like a goons are to be restrained, and the police who has misbehaved with Mr. Kaleem those are to be suspended. And now the repeated action of the police and behavior, what they are thinking is that there is no one above us. You are a person who are paid a salary by taxes, not by yourself, and we are the persons who defend the society with, as per law. So kindly I am again reminding Honorable CP sir that don't behave in this manner. It will be high time that you will be taught a lesson that it will be a history. Why? Because you are not behaving like a police. You are behaving like a goons. This is not the way. This is not the character behavior expected by you. You are a dressed person. You have got some dignity. So maintain the dignity. Not that you are behaving like a rowdies. Police station is not your house. It is a public place meant for you. You are the officer who have to protect law and order, not to take law into hand. But if the in Hindi one proverb is there, जब रक्षक भक्षक बन गया तो क्या करना चाहिए? तो पब्लिक को जो है ना जब डंडा लेना पड़ता. That is my I am requesting my humble president sir and chairman of bar council sir. This is very high time now. We require immediate implementation of Advocate Protection Act. Our all brother demand is that we demand Advocate Protection Act. This is the high time, and now it is to be on all the police persons who are involved in this kind of stupid activity. I say stupid. I repeat my word, stupids. Those are stupid fellows who have who has abused their power. So there should be an FIR book against them, and immediately they should be suspended. No second thing. They should be suspended immediately. Nothing. So I again demand the Honorable CP sir, immediately you have to take an action. Otherwise, this agitation will come to your office directly, and we advocates by walk will come to and all the street of Hyderabad will be jammed by the advocates. No, and we'll go for a pen down. So I again request that please stop these brutal activities.
Germantown Super Speciality Hospital National Award winner Dr. Mir Jawad Zar Khan, German trained senior orthopedic surgeon and director, Mahir doctors Dr. Wasif Azam और Dr. Bharvi Chunduri, senior cardiologist और दीगर डॉक्टर्स नुमाया खिदमत अंजाम दे रहे हैं। रोबोटिक सर्जरी, एडवांस कैथ लैब, MRI, ऑपरेशन थिएटर, ICU, 2D अल्ट्रासाउंड जैसी सहूलियात से आरास्ता कॉर्पोरेट लेवल हॉस्पिटल, वाजबी फीस में हर मर्ज से शिफायाबी के लिए जर्मनटन सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल, अतापुर।